Some mini drones are great, some mini drones suck. Today we're going through all the best mini drones available in the market today. Let's jump straight into it. Holy Stone HS440D. This little beast packs a 4K camera that'll make your Instagram followers drool with envy. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it's so light you might forget you're carrying it until you accidentally leave it at Starbucks. With 20 minutes of flight time per battery, you'll have just enough juice to capture that perfect sunset shot before it crashes into a tree. Holy Stone HS210. If drones were puppies, this would be the runt of the litter. Tiny, adorable, and prone to accidents. It's so small it fits in your palm, which is great, until you lose it in your couch cushions. The HS210 comes with 3 batteries because apparently Holy Stone knows you'll need multiple attempts to master those sick flips. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. This drone is like the overachiever in your high school class. It's got all the fancy features but still weighs less than a quarter pounder. With a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor, it captures images sharper than your ex's attitude. Just don't fly it in strong winds or you might end up chasing it across 3 counties. Hover Air X1 Pro. Forget complicated controls, this drone is so user-friendly it practically flies itself. It's perfect for capturing those candid Instagram moments that took 47 takes to get right. With 4K 60 FPS video, you can finally prove to your friends that yes, you did see Bigfoot on your camping trip, or was that just a very hairy hiker? EXO Mini Pro. This little beast packs a punch with its 48 megapixel camera and 4K video capabilities, making your aerial shots look sexier than ever. It's got a whopping 45-minute flight time, so you can spend more time in the air and less time changing batteries like a chump. But watch out for that obstacle avoidance system. It might save your drone's ass, but it'll also cock block your attempts at those sit close to the wall shots. DJI Mini 3. This pocket-sized powerhouse weighs less than a hamster but flies like a champ with its 38-minute battery life and level 5 wind resistance. The camera's no slouch either, rocking a 1/1.3-inch sensor that'll make your Instagram followers drool. Just don't expect it to save you from trees. This bad boy lacks obstacle avoidance, so fly it like you stole it. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The bougie cousin of the Mini 3, this drone's got all the bells and whistles, including tri-directional obstacle sensing to keep you from face planting into walls. It's got a fancy pants camera that can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, perfect for slow-mo shots of your cat chasing the drone. But all this goodness comes at a price. Your wallet might feel a bit lighter after this purchase. Holy Stone HS900. This little drone thinks it's a big boy with its 48 megapixel camera and 4K video capabilities. It's got a decent 31-minute flight time and can zip around at speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, perfect for when you need to outrun the neighbor's angry dog. But let's be real, it's a Holy Stone. It's like the off-brand cereal of drones, tasty but not quite the real deal. Potensic ATOM SE. This little beast packs a 4K punch with its camera, but don't expect gimbal smooth footage. It's all electronic stabilization, baby. The ATOM SE can zip around for up to 31 minutes on a single charge, which is pretty damn impressive for a drone that weighs less than a hamster. Sure, it might not have all the fancy obstacle avoidance sensors of pricier drones, but at least it won't break the bank or require you to register it with the fun police at the FAA. DJI Neo. Holy crap, DJI's gone and made a drone that's smaller than your average smartphone and costs less than a night out in Vegas. This pocket rocket can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second and even take off and land in your palm like some kind of robotic bird. The Neo's got AI subject tracking that'll follow you around like an obsessed ex, but in a cool way that gets you awesome footage. Potensic ATOM. Well, looks like Potensic decided to slap a proper 3-axis gimbal on this bad boy and give DJI a run for its money. The ATOM's got a 4K camera that'll make your home videos look like Hollywood blockbusters. And it can apparently withstand winds that would knock your grandma's wig off. It's got some fancy flight modes too, like subject tracking and waypoints, but don't expect it to make you coffee in the morning. DJI Mini SE. This little drone is like the annoying younger sibling of the DJI family. It's not as fancy as its big brothers, but it still gets the job done. You get 2.7K video recording, which is like 4K's less attractive cousin, and about 30 minutes of flight time before it needs a nap. The Mini SE might not have obstacle avoidance, so flying it is kind of like playing chicken with trees, but hey, that's part of the fun, right? Hover Air X1. This pocket-sized selfie drone is so damn easy to use, even your grandma could fly it. With its folding design and weighing just 125 grams, it's like carrying a smartphone that can take off and follow you around. The camera quality isn't mind-blowing, but hey, who needs 4K when you're just trying to show off your mediocre hiking skills on Instagram? DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI's budget-friendly offering brings 2.7K video and 12MP photos to the table, all while keeping your wallet from crying. It's got some nifty features like quick shots and a 31-minute flight time, but don't expect it to dodge trees. There's no obstacle avoidance here, folks. At least it's light enough to avoid most drone regulations, so you can annoy your neighbors without breaking the law. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This little beast packs a punch with its 48MP camera, 4K/60fps video, and true vertical shooting capabilities. It's got omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, so you can pretend you're a pro pilot while the drone does all the work. The price tag might make your credit card weep, but hey, that's the cost of looking cool on social media these days. DJI Mini 4K holy *T. This little beast packs a 4K punch in a sub 250 gram package, making it perfect for sneaking past those pesky drone regulations. With a 31-minute flight time, you'll have plenty of time to capture stunning aerial footage before your battery dies and you crash into a tree. Sure, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, but who needs those when you can just blame your piloting skills on unexpected wind gusts? Rise Tello. This adorable little drone is like the hyperactive puppy of the drone world. It's small, cheap, and will probably crash into everything in sight. With a whopping 5-megapixel camera and 720p video, you'll feel like you're back in 2010, but hey, at least it's got some cool flip tricks to impress your easily amused friends. Just don't expect to fly this thing outdoors on anything but the calmest of days unless you want to watch your $99 investment become a very expensive kite. Thanks for watching. Even though I doubt it, I hope this video helped you pick a product. Links to all these products will be in the description below. Peace out.